My name's Jennifer Corralejo. I'm the coordinator for the Adopte County Road program. The Adopte County Road program is important for us here because it does help our maintenance yard in regards to all of the litter that's within our roadways. When the volunteers do offer to pick up the litter, it alleviates some work off of our maintenance yard so they can focus on our safety issues and any type of road issues that we do have. So you go to the Pinal County website, which is pinal.gov. To access our department, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom where we do have our quick links. You click on departments, and then all of the departments within Pinal County will appear, and then just scroll down to Public Works. Click on Adopte County Road. Your first step would be to go to your Find a Road. So you're gonna click on that and click on the hyperlink. That will show all of our available and volunteered roadways that we do have within the map. So you just go and scroll, see whichever one you find is best for your organization. Make sure you jot that down, and then you'll go back to step 2. To fill out an application, you'll just go and click on the link, complete an application online, and then a fillable form will appear. The name of the applicant is pretty much going to be your coordinator for that group. If you do have an organization, you can put that there. A good mailing address, city, state, zip code, a good email address because we do a lot of our correspondence by email, a good phone number, and the best time to call. And then in that requested county road segment is that roadway that you are going to want to adopt. For instance, if you're wanting to adopt on Hunt Highway, you'll put Hunt Highway there. And then your start point and your end point is going to be your mile. And then if you scroll down more, there's the sign example. That's going to be what you're going to want on your signs. The second page, you are going to review our guidelines. And then on page 3 is where you're going to sign the application. You'll just go ahead and click there, sign it, and click it for the date, and then sign and submit. And then we do review that to make sure that road is available. Then we will contact you in regards to the next steps as to coordinating a cleanup, coordinating vest, litter bags pickup, and then any other questions that you may have. We will send you out a permit, which is valid for 2 years. We'll explain your mandates for participating, which is we require at least 2 cleanups a year. The county does provide vest at your initial cleanup. That'll be a one-time use, and then we do provide litter bags throughout your years of volunteering. There's no minimum, no maximum. We do have groups that participate, and we only have 2 volunteers that do clean up that roadway, and then we do have organizations that have up to 20 volunteers. So all of the volunteers do have to be over the age of 12. There's a safety video that you watch prior to every cleanup, and then there is a waiver that you guys will sign every time you do have a cleanup. It's a form that is filled out, and then we'll have signatures from all the participants letting them know their responsibilities, the guidelines for being out within our roadway. Safety first. Make sure you follow the directions of your group leader. Make sure you do not go anywhere outside of our right-of-way because you're only allowed to work within our right-of-way, and just basically being safe while you're out there on the road. Thank you guys for your interest in wanting to participate in our Adopte County Road. I do hope that you do decide to join, and if you do have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to explain our program to you.